Hello students, you can level up your English by using these expressions. The first one is, instead of saying you are very kind, you can use you have a heart of gold. The second one is, I like you. Instead of that, you can use I fancy you. The third one is, instead of that, you look good, you can use you look phenomenal. The fourth one is, you are so intelligent. That means your point of view is so refreshing. The fifth one is, you make me laugh. You have a remarkable sense of humor. The sixth one is, shall we meet? That means, shall we get together? The seventh one is, you are awesome. That means, you are beautiful inside and out. The eighth one is, your performance was good. Instead of that, you can use your performance was mesmerizing. And the last one is, don't get angry. That means don't freak out. So save this reel, and for more such reels, follow the page on Instagram and Facebook with the name CRA Center of Learning, and subscribe the channel on YouTube with the same name, CRA Center of Learning. Thank you.